38 game. Oh, we got the Ripp. Shout out to them, man. We about to get these boys slapped on the car. Let me show y'all what it look like. This the box and everything. Sheesh. Got the Ripp Performance Pack coil, man. Shout out to them for sending me this. Yeah, I'm about to reveal this before I take it to the shop. That's how they look. Then I got some spark plugs, the Brisk racing. These was a little bit more. Stay tuned for the video. We get some footage when we get to the shop. Yeah.
This clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah. This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Make my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
Hey, y'all. Good morning. "38 gang, look, man. If y'all ain't seen my undergo video, y'all need to check that out. But look, I got something coming in here. Let me see this camera. The roof is gone, so y'all gotta guess what's coming. Stay tuned for that video. It's coming. But yeah, I'm getting these spark plugs and high performance Ripp coils put in. A stay row auto body. I got a lot of work done by them before. But yeah, look at that door panel. It's busting. But yeah, I'm gonna explain more about those CoilPacks and what they actually do. A lot of people probably wondering what's going on with that. I'll explain it more.
Hey, Greg. I put the old coils and plugs on the front seat.
Okay. Because I can imagine, yeah.
Yeah, the only bad part was I dropped one of the little bolts down and I had to
Fish it out.
Fish out.
You talking about one like the sparks or whatever?
No, one of the coil bolts.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, I pulled it out and it went poop poop.
Yeah, I hear when you do that kind of stuff.
Right,
yeah, so.
Because especially when you don't see where it goes, you know, then you got to go look because you can't leave it in there.
Yeah.
Because if the fan picks it up, it's going to punch a hole in the radiator or do something else stupid, ding the hood when it slings it and
finally,
ricochets it out. So
too dirty, y'all. So, Ray ass always get my shit dirty every time I get in here.
So I'm looking.
Oh shit. The way he said, I put it on the seat. Dirty ass right there in my car. I had to clean the interior out. That's something I'm doing in the summer. And then he parked all close to this car. God damn it. But no, I wanted to show y'all because look. Y'all should see the difference already. I know y'all seen them orange. I know y'all see those orange performance CoilPacks, man. We going real deal, man. Because I'm trying to build this so when I try to get a supercharger. I don't know if I'm going to do it this year because I want to do a lot of small performance stuff to build the engine up first. So when I do get a supercharger, it'll be ready for all of that. So one thing I do want to say, if y'all didn't see the interior, something huge coming inside the interior. I might do a wide body kit this year. I'm trying to do it this year and change the rims. And all the other stuff gonna be performance mods. So, but yeah, man, we making some progress, y'all. Let's go. Look at this progress. It's a few other things I want to do on the engine. But yeah, just a little small stuff first, and then I'll get into bigger stuff like rear differentials, and I want to change the throttle body too. But let me start it up, and we could do a few pulls, see how because there's, you know, these, I'm gonna explain this right now. So these Ripp performance coil packs produce more energy, so when a spark hit it, you have more engine like torque and stuff in the engine, like more power. So like supposedly from the, it says it's supposed to get, I think it was 15 to 25 more HP. So I changed the sparks and the coils. So we'll see how the car performance, see if it sounds a little different, see if it like feel a little bit more peppier. I wouldn't say it's going to be like something huge, but definitely a dyno. See what the dyno definitely get it tuned up, and then we'll see all those gains in the future. So we just building it now. Like I said, I don't really think I'm gonna be able to like feel a big difference. But if I get it tuned on the dyno or just get a regular tune somewhere, I'll definitely be able to feel it more. But let me just see. Let's start it up and see. So 38 gang, I hopped on the highway. I just feel like it got a little bit more pep to it. It feels like refreshed. Like you can see it pulling. I'm not in sport mode, and it's pulling like really good. I just feel like that was a big plus right there. Like the car only have 24,000 miles on it, and it's pulling. Like, I'm not even in sport mode. I just not see it pulling in sport mode. Different, man. That shit hit. Man, what? Damn. This is it. Yes, man. Damn. I want to get like another little bug real quick. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy. I'm not trying to like crazy stuff, because I'm not encouraging y'all to do crazy stuff, but people who want to build the car, get those quarter miles, times up, and all y'all times up on y'all, you know, on the track or whatever. I plan on actually going to the track. I'll probably get some of that this summer. Like, I gotta go to the track once or twice. Like, come on now. Probably put some drag. So that my next setup. I'm definitely putting like racing setup on it. Ooh, it's stuck in that 7 gear before it went to 8. I am in sport mode. Take it out. So I'm out of sport mode now. I want to see how the car pulling. I would say like I'm pressing down midway. I'm not flooring it, because when I'm flooring it, obviously it's yelling. This it right here. Once again, it's nighttime, but the CoilPacks actually make a difference. Look how it looks in there. That shit look, it's hitting me while it's busting.